Welcome, my friends. I have another unboxing for you today. This is actually a piece that I purchased almost 2 years ago, back in 2021, but I've never shared it on my channel. I hope you enjoy this next installment in my Passion for Purple series. If you like these types of videos, please go ahead, give this a thumbs up, and consider subscribing and joining my small YouTube family. As you can see, this piece is from Fashionphile, so let's go ahead and get started. Here are the pieces wrapped. And it is in the Fashionphile dust bag. I don't recall if this one actually comes with the brand dust bag. As you can see, it's in the Fashionphile dust bag. Any guesses what I picked up or what house it's from? All right, can you guess just seeing the color and the leather? This is a Picotin 18 in the color Crocus, in Clemence leather. Oh, I love how soft it feels and the gorgeous texture. This is the size 18, and as you can see, it does have palladium hardware. And let's take a look at the bottom. It does have the feet. This is a handheld bag. It does not have any shoulder strap, although maybe technically you could add one, but it would put some strain on these straps or on these rings that are meant to hold the bag closed when you put the lock in. This bag does come with the original dust bag, which is an older version of their Hermes dust bag in the bright orange, but it is incredibly soft. It also comes with the keys and the lock, as you can see. Now the interior of this bag is the unfinished leather, so it is the suede. And from what you can tell, I hope, it says Hermes, made in France. This is a bag that I wasn't quite sure about, and that, like I said at the beginning, is one of the reasons why I like Fashionphile. This gives me the opportunity to check out a bag that I'm interested in, and given the fact that it's a color that I was very interested in. I love this particular shade of purple with that strong blue undertone. It's very much a blue violet, and this leather is so soft and tender. As you can tell, that Clemence, that grained texture is just really beautiful. So I'm excited to see whether or not this will fit with my lifestyle. And next I'm going to show you what I would fit in here. Now, as you can see, this is a pretty floppy bag. It is a good size and it can hold all my essentials. Did pick up this bag organizer, and it's actually a pretty nice one. I just got it off of Amazon, and it has worked well to help maintain some level of structure for this bag. I'm going to start off with a lippy, and this particular bag organizer does have a pocket for lippies, or if you wanted to put a pen in here, you could certainly do that. I have my flat card holder from Chanel. I'm going to stick in one pocket here. for easy access. I have my Calvi in anemone, and this is in the chèvre leather, so this is goat skin. And I just love how goat skin is durable and a little shiny, but definitely picks up the colors just gorgeously. Stick that in another pocket. I also have a pocket organizer, and this is another piece that I don't think I ever did a reveal on this channel, but this is from LV. This is part of the purple fall winter, or maybe it was summer collection for the men's. They had some gorgeous purples in the men's line, so I went ahead and ordered this purple leather pocket organizer. As you can see, it's getting well loved, but this is got the grained calfskin, and what's nice about this is unlike some of the other pocket organizers, this one does have a slip pocket in the back. So this is going to go in, let's see, I think I'm just going to slip that over there. And then I have my mini pochette that I use as a catch-all, and that is just going to sit on its side like that. If I took this out, I could probably put this flat there. Okay. And then finally, let's see if I can fit my sunnies. This is my monogram sunglasses case. Now, this is a little bit taller than the bag itself, but I can also fit it this way. It is a little awkward, so this might be a piece that I, you know, if I really need it, I can just stick it on top there, and I can still fit my hand through, and that works out okay. But we can just slip this through here, and if I add the lock, that will weigh this down so it'll keep it closed. And even with the lock, let me show you how that would look. So if I stick this through here, and add the lock, that does help to weigh it down, keep this closed a little bit, but there is enough to kind of, you know, obviously you can still stick your hand in, and if I take this out, it's a lot easier to get in and out, get things in and out of the bag. But this still is nice. It will keep it closed a little bit more. You can stick it through, and it'll sit nicely on your wrist or up on your arm, and that allows for really a lot of ease of use. Thanks again for watching this little reveal. I hope you are enjoying this series. If you have a passion for purple, or at least an appreciation of purple, please go ahead, leave a comment down below and a purple heart. I would love it if you joined my small YouTube family, gave this video a thumbs up, and definitely hit that bell notification so you are alerted to any future videos. I hope you are getting excited and either going to enjoy with your sweetheart or your galentine or valentine, whoever that may be. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe. Bye.